If you've been watching the AI infrastructure space, Applied Digital just dropped one of the most packed earnings calls of the year, and most investors haven't fully digested what was said. We're counting down the top 10 takeaways from APLD's Fiscal Q3 2026 earnings call, starting with number 10 and building up to the single biggest story from this call. Stay with me, because number 1 could genuinely change how you think about this company. Coming in at number 10, revenue exploded. Applied Digital reported total revenues of $126.6 million for the quarter, a staggering 139% increase compared to the same quarter a year ago. That's not gradual growth, that's a company hitting an inflection point, and it's just getting started. At number 9, the core business is throwing off real cash. Adjusted EBITDA across the core businesses reached $44.1 million for the quarter. With nearly a gigawatt of capacity still under construction, this number is only a preview of the earnings power being built right now. Number 8 is a credit story that matters enormously for debt investors and the cost of capital. CoreWeave's SPV received an investment-grade A3 credit rating, a massive jump from its prior BB rating. This restructured lease now comes with a springing parent guarantee from CoreWeave and a $50 million letter of credit, meaningfully de-risking the existing 250 megawatts of contracted capacity. At number 7, Applied Digital is spinning out its cloud business. The board has approved combining the cloud segment with EKSO Bionic Holdings to form Chronoscale Corporation, a standalone, publicly traded accelerated compute platform focused on GPU-optimized AI infrastructure. This lets the cloud business raise capital independently and pursue its own growth trajectory without weighing on the core data center thesis. Number 6 is about power, the most constrained resource in the AI build-out. Applied Digital is backing Base Electron, an independent power producer that will work with Babcock and Wilcox to bring roughly 1.2 gigawatts of natural gas-fired generation capacity to the Dakota's grid. This is front-of-the-meter power built in partnership with regional utilities designed to fuel APLD's long-term campus expansion. At number 5, Applied Digital officially broke ground on Delta Forge 1, a 300-megawatt AI factory campus spanning over 600 acres in a strategic southern U.S. market. Initial operations are expected by mid-2027, and management says a lease signing is anticipated in the near term to hit that timeline. Number 4 highlights the expanding development pipeline. APLD is now actively marketing 4 sites: Delta Forge 1, an additional North Dakota site, and 2 sites in undisclosed states, representing approximately 1 gigawatt of total grid power capacity, with some already in advanced stages of negotiation. At number 3, the company completed a major financing milestone. Applied Digital closed a $2.15 billion private offering of 6.75% senior secured notes due 2031 to fund the 200-megawatt Polaris Forge 2 campus. Combined with equity already raised, the financing for the first 2 campuses is largely complete. Number 2 is a capital structure advantage most investors are overlooking. Applied Digital has access to $4.1 billion in preferred equity from Macquarie Asset Management, unlocked upon executing a lease with an investment-grade hyperscaler. This structure lets shareholders retain over 85% common equity ownership of future sites while dramatically reducing reliance on the public markets. And the number 1 takeaway, Polaris Forge 1 is live, and the revenue ramp is real. The first 100-megawatt liquid-cooled data center is fully operational. 2 150-megawatt buildings are on schedule, and PF2's first building comes online later this year. Management is targeting over $1 billion in annual NOI within 5 years, and for the first time, you can start to see exactly how they get there. Applied Digital is no longer just a story, it's a business. If you want to stay ahead of every major development as this company scales, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. We'll see you in the next one.